how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. So go to Facebook, go to the menu at the bottom right corner, scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy and click Settings. From here, stay at the very top where it says Accounts Center and click See More in Account Center. And then scroll down to Personal Details. Go ahead to Account Ownership and Control, Deactivation or Deletion, and choose the account that you want to temporarily deactivate. And from here, make sure you choose the Deactivate account. It will ask you to log in, and go ahead and log in, hit continue, and then you can pick a reason, anything that you want, go ahead and hit continue, and it will automatically reactivate in 7 days. You can change this time as well, so it doesn't need to be 1 day. It can be any day that you want. And then go ahead and hit continue, and then go ahead and choose deactivate my account. It's that simple, very easy to do, and remember, it's only temporary.